Welcome back. India Bike Week to be held in Goa in February. Said to be India's largest biking festival, this gathering of enthusiasts will be held at Wagator in North Goa on February 2nd and 3rd. India Bike Week is posed to be the largest congregation of bikers in India's history.
Those who love the outdoors and some sporty motorcycle action can gear up for this. India Bike Week is supposed to be the largest congregation of bikers in India's history. There's a huge variety too, from riders to scramblers and cruisers to superbikers. The aim is to bring together about 8,000 fans, including the country's biggest biking celebs, to Goa to soak in local and international biking trends, new machines and gadgets, accessories and more. If you don't like the look of your machine at present, there is a Pimp My Bike zone where they could bling it, buff and bath it too, do a retro pin strip job on it. There is also a test zone and trail track. There will be also a fight club where folks can take in mixed martial arts and boxing demos, try their hand at the arm wrestling table or work out at Bikers Gym. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The High Court has adjourned the hearing on bail petition of terror suspect Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan, a native of Uttar Pradesh, was arrested by Verna Police for his alleged plan to promote enmity between religious groups in Goa. Mumbai ATS had also quizzed him to find his links with Pune blast.
The High Court on Wednesday adjourned the hearing on bail petition of terror suspect Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan was arrested on August 24 in terrorism-related case. Investigating agency can take him in their custody for interrogation anytime within 180 days of his arrest. The High Court observed that it's better to hear his bail plea after 23rd of January when he completes 180 days of judicial custody. Afzal Khan, a native of Uttar Pradesh, was arrested by Verna Police for his alleged plan to promote enmity between religious groups in Goa. Police had recovered 5 SIM cards of different states from his possession. Later, Goa Police had also suspected that he might be involved in Pune blast, and later Mumbai ATS had also quizzed him to find his link in Pune blast. Home Minister Manohar Parrikar had earlier informed the media that the case, being sensitive, will be handed over to the NIA for probe, and it would not be proper for Goa Police to probe the terror suspect. However, almost 5 months have passed. There is no move from the NIA. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
If patients have to share a bed, no problem. If they are sleeping on the floor, no problem. What's important is the hospicio management is attending and treating the patients. This is the remark of the Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar over the flooded hospicio in Margao. When media raised the issue, Parsekar replied, "Journalists are become too sensitive."
This is the female ward of the hospicio. 2 patients are sharing a single bed, or 3 patients are lying on a double bed. That's not all. Have a look at this. The senior patients are sleeping on the floor in an extreme winter. Patients and their relatives cannot witness the situation nor face it.
जाणटी मनीसान ती एक एक खाटीचेर दोग दोग जाण म्हणून ते पळोवन सारकें कितें काय म्हणटा हांगेलें आनी सगळ्याक तशेंच एक एक खाटीचेर दोग दोग जाण आनी 2 खाटी हें केल्या एक केल्या आनी तीग जाणां चूक जाणां घातल्या हातून पळयलां परिस्थितींची आनी एटलिस्ट कितें वयर तरी आहा न्ही वयर एक सेकंड फ्लोराचेर जागा आसा टेम्पररीली तरी शिफ्ट करा म्हणून सांगलें.
But Health Minister of this Parivartan era says that he does not see any problem in it.
एका बेडार 3 जाणांक किंवा दोगांक दवरले म्हणजेच परिस्थिती वायट न्हय. हॉस्पिटलाची म्हणजे हॉस्पिटलांत हे फॅसिलिटीज कमी आसात, बेड कमी पडटात म्हणून 2 दवरले. ती रिटर्न धाडलेलो जर कोणाक जाल्यार हांव बेजार जावपाचो. एका बेडार 2 जाण किंवा जमनीर बेड घालून दिले जाल्यार management is accommodating the patients.
Moreover, when media questioned him over the sad state of the hospital, this is how he reacted.
कितें आसा जाल्यार मेडिकल सुप्रिटेंडंटाक सांगप, तो दुर्लक्ष दिता, म्हज्या ब्रिंग इट टू माय नोटीस. पूण तुवें नन्नाचो पाडो लायलो म्हणून हांव तेच्या बरोबर सहमत जावचो ना. एक बरी गोष्ट कितें जाणा, सगळी जनता आनी विशेष करून पत्रकार हे खूब सेन्सिटीव जाल्ले आसात. ही बरी गोष्ट. त्यामुळे म्हज्या गजाल नजरेत येवच्या आदी तांच्या लक्षांत येता.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Goa-based Kineco Private Limited has joined the hands with America-based company Cameron Corporation to start a manufacturing unit of advanced composite structures using carbon fiber materials in Goa. Launching this joint venture, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that this company will not just create employment in Goa but will also attract more investment in the state.
या जॉईंट व्हेंचरचं स्पेसिफिकली जास्त महत्त्व आहे कारण आम्ही म्हणजे टुरिझम सेक्टरमध्ये आहोत आणि एअरपोर्ट एक्सपान्शनमध्ये होतो त्यावेळी एअरपोर्टच्या संदर्भातल्या काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज इन्क्लुडिंग एरोनॉटिकल इंजिनिअरिंगमधले काही विशिष्ट प्रॉडक्ट्स हे करण्याकरता हब तयार करता येईल त्या दृष्टीने दिस इज द बिगिनिंग दिस बेसिकली ब्रिंग्स इन याच्यामुळे बोईंग वगैरे अशी मोठ्या कंपन्या या गोव्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट होण्याची संधी चांगली आहे.
The joint venture will have a manufacturing unit at Pilan Industrial Estate. Starting with approximate $1 million capital, the company has planned to invest $10 million in next 5-year span. Company will manufacture composite structures for aerospaces, defense and medical equipments. Parrikar said the company will also create more jobs in Goa.
गोव्याचा जो माणूस आहे तो कष्ट करणाऱ्या कामाकडे थोडीशी पाठ वळवतो ते त्याचं नेचर आहे म्हणजे त्याच्याबद्दल त्याला दोष देऊन अर्थ नाही एज्युकेशनही चांगलं आहे त्यामुळे फिजिकल इनपुट हा गोव्यामध्ये कमी असतो याच्यामध्ये फिजिकल इनपुट कमी असतो जास्त अकलेचा वापर करायचा असतो आणि स्किलचं या गोष्टी गोव्याच्या मंडळीकडे जास्त असतात त्यामुळे दीज आर गुड फॉर लोकल एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulshidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.